Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. With the impact of Typhoon Ma-On and the fact that we're still deep in typhoon season, this week we're going to be looking at property insurance protection for typhoon risks. Now, each year there are roughly 5 to 6 tropical storm events in Hong Kong, and while there are no international standards for measuring the economic impact of a typhoon, researchers have estimated that a storm like 2018's Super Typhoon Mangkhut caused somewhere in the region of 4.6 billion Hong Kong dollars in losses. This is despite Hong Kong's excellent early warning weather system and extensive expertise in managing storms and their aftermath. It is impossible to prevent a typhoon or tropical storm, but should one occur, a comprehensive insurance umbrella can help assist you navigate the fallout. While fire insurance is the common term for the type of property insurance which provides coverage for the rebuilding costs of your home should it suffer a covered loss, in Hong Kong, this type of coverage can be referred to as fire and allied perils insurance. This is because it is possible to extend property insurance protection beyond simple fire risks and cover a range of associated dangers which could cause loss or damage to an individual's property, including apartments that they may be renting out. Property all risks, or PAR protection, does what the name suggests. Your property is covered for all risks except some specific exclusions which result in a loss. Whether this is major flooding caused by storm surge associated with a nearby typhoon, or your apartment building suffers cracks because of a landslide from a black or red rainstorm warning, PAR, or Fire and Allied Perils home insurance coverage, ensures that your home and rental properties are covered against any major risks impacting them in Hong Kong. While an all-risk policy is more expensive than a simple fire insurance plan, it is important to remember that proximate cause is going to apply to any claim situation, and that under a policy offering only fire insurance, any proximate cause other than fire is likely to be excluded from coverage. This means that common risks like typhoons and rain damage, a property owner with only fire protection would likely not have the insurance support needed to recover from a loss in the wake of that storm. Property insurance policies like fire and allied perils coverage provide coverage against the rebuilding costs of your property following a covered loss. Without this protection, providing the right coverage at the right amounts, a property owner will be responsible for the costs of rebuilding, replacement, or recovery out of their own pockets. Renters in Hong Kong are generally not able to purchase fire insurance on their homes. The principle of insurable interest states that although they live there, they do not own it and consequently do not have an interest in insuring it. However, renters in Hong Kong are able to insure their own property within the household with home contents insurance coverage. Home contents insurance, much like fire insurance, can also be purchased on an all-risk basis, which is normally applied worldwide. Obtaining an all-risk home insurance plan in Hong Kong will see you covered against a range of risks that can accompany a typhoon. Home insurance, for example, often provides emergency support for issues like replacing the contents of your fridge should the power go out, and can even provide financial assistance for the investigation of leaks and any water damage you may be experiencing. If the apartment that you are renting becomes unlivable because of a tropical storm or typhoon, then home contents or risk protection can even offer limited short-term rental assistance for you to seek replacement accommodations while your flat is being improved to a livable standard. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.